Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use confidential mode in Gmail. So let's go to the Gmail first. Now compose a mail or write a mail here. Choose the mail and then add your subject. Now here in the body you can write any messages. Now if you want to use the confidential mode, you have to click on this uh, lock icon. You can see here, right? Just click on this lock icon and you'll find here this expiration date. If you click on drop down menu, you can see the many expiration date. If you click on one day, expires in one day, your message will be expires in one day and it will be automatically unlocked or will be deleted. Okay, and if you click on 1 week, after 1 week it will be automatically unlocked and or it will be deleted. So choose 1 week, click on. Now you can see the require passcodes. So if you need any passcode, you can see here no SMS passcode or SMS passcode. If you choose the SMS passcode and click on save, you have to uh, give the phone number here. Okay, you have to give the right phone number here. After giving the phone number, you have to click on send. After click on send, your message will be sent to that person. And if you want to open this mail, he have to give the same phone number or same code or passcode. Okay, so this is how you can use the confidential mode in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.